If x1 up to xn is a sequence of independently and identically distributed Bernoulli, this is the distribution I mentioned in the video, okay? Bernoulli random variable. Or we say x1 follow Bernoulli with parameter pi. Expected value of sample total is expected value of x1 plus OA up to xn. And by property 3, we can rewrite as ex1 add up to exn. But each one, instead of mu, each one is what? Pi. Remember, mean of a Bernoulli random variable is a probability. It's a probability of getting success. Okay? So pi plus pi plus pi. How many pi? N pi. And what's the variance of sample total? It's the variance of x1 plus x2 plus OA up to xn. Okay? By property 3, variance of x1 plus x2 when x1 and x2 are independent is variance x1 plus x2. Now we extend this one to xn. So it's variance x1 plus OA up to variance xn. But there is a condition need to be satisfied. That condition is what? Independent. Is that okay? But we have that independent assumption here. So we can go ahead and do it. Each one is what? Sigma squared. So it's n sigma squared. But remember, what is the variance of a Bernoulli random variable? Variance of a Bernoulli random variable is a product of two probabilities. One for success, pi, and one for failure, 1 minus pi. So variance of sample total is n times pi times 1 minus pi. Now next one, mean of the sample mean is the population mean. But population mean when random variable is Bernoulli, it's just pi, okay? Now let's look at variance of what? Variance of sample mean, okay? Is total over n, you take it out, is 1 over n squared. Variance of sample total is 1 over n squared times n sigma squared. Remember, variance of a Bernoulli random variable is product of two probabilities. One is pi times the other one is what? 1 minus pi. So after cancellation, this is sigma squared over n, which you can rewrite as pi times 1 minus pi over n. Okay? Then you can update your formula on the top, okay? If x1 up to xn is Bernoulli, this one become what? N pi. This one become n times pi times 1 minus pi. Okay? Now, when this is sample mean and random variable are Bernoulli, mean of the sample mean is mu. In Bernoulli case, this is pi. And this one, variance of sample mean is sigma squared over n. But in Bernoulli case, sigma squared is replaced by pi times 1 minus pi and divided by n. Okay? Now, if you forget what's on the video, let me remind you one more time. What